Southern, a Union Pacific, and 3 BNSFs.
Was that 6?
Yeah, it was 6. Wasn't that awesome?
No,
What is that?
5. I counted 5.
Oh, okay. We'll have to watch the video again and count again.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's Mom. 1, what? Oh, K-line. Papa, you see there? One of them, that, go, this here. Daddy?
Yep.
This does not look like, this is not the same thing.
No, it isn't. The one we saw was on our way here. It wasn't hauling containers, was it? Yeah. We've never seen a train that had 3 different types of engines on it, have we? That one had Norfolk Southern, Union Pacific, and BNSF. Yep. It is, isn't it? Do what? Yeah. I don't know. I guess since it had 5 or 6 engines, it's probably a really long train. Yep.
That's the end!
Yeah, we heard. I heard. There it goes.
Daddy?
Yep.
It was probably a really long train because it had 5 or 6 engines, and that was our first time a freight train to have. And that was our first time a freight train held 6 engines. The gates are going up.
All right.
Daddy,
Yep.
well, I'm still out of words, so, I'm still out of words,
Okay.
so,
Just say bye.
bye.